What's up people, I'm Dre Skeen, and if you're like me, you love food, but you're not too want to spend enough money, right? Right, so this is Ballin on a budget. We're showcasing the places to be where we can enjoy good food and not spend enough money. We're at Kingston Jerk right now, and we're going to see if we can have a full 3-course meal without going over $5,000. Let's go see if we can do it. Stamp and go, and if you never notice a stamp and go, it's actually fritters. I learned that just by being here. Didn't know, it's fine, don't judge me. It's food time. Alright, pause. So you might be saying that this is a lot of food, there's no way this is under $5,000. But watch a styler, let me break it down for you. Alright, so first we had the pizza, the jerk chicken and festival, a water for beverage, we had the purple touch, and bread pudding for dessert, and that was only $3,290. Then we had the tacos, wings and fries, can't forget the green plantain, a water, blue paradise, and a bread pudding, and that was only $4,120. And finally we had the stamp and go, can't forget our jerk chicken pasta, a water, a mojito, and a bread pudding, and that was only $4,120. There you have it. We just had a wonderful meal. We didn't break the bank. It was all under $5,000 here at Kingston Jerk. So if you want to come alone, bring a date, no worry, you're all set. Under $5,000, you can get a proper 3-course meal here at Kingston Jerk. So this is Ball on a Budget, and I'm Dre Skeen.